Hello everybody, this is Out of the Box Unboxing, and in today's episode I'm going to review cordless vacuum cleaner from SilverCrest from Lidl. And first of all, first impression is that it's more like a design instead of practicality. What I mean, for instance, you may see on the side the outlet of the, let's say, exhaust, and it's covered by filter. You may say it's quite a big filter, but if you take it out, you may see it's only half of the designed volume. And by the way, this part, when it's locking the filter in position, is actually blocking part of the outlet. So you have a, let's say, 30% of the original design. The same is on the right side. Here actually it's even worse because this part is covering here, so you might have half of the designed space. So actually it's the filtration is going here or taking place here and something like this part. So rubbish. Second thing, the main area for the filtration, it's this paper filter. It looks nice. I don't know how it will be working in the long run, but still I have some doubts regarding reliability. I don't have any doubts about reliability with this steel part, which could be, in my opinion, is washable, but also the how it's locking in place, it don't feel reliable for me. It's looking rather cheap, rather plastic. Okay, it's made of plastic, but don't feel nicely. And as I said, this vacuum cleaner, it's looking nice, but it will, in my opinion, not working well. Second thing, battery. I cannot open it, but according to weight, I do believe there is the storage capacity could be bigger. And again, it's looking very professional. Nice big battery, but on the end of the day, it has only only 2400 milliampere hours. Okay, its voltage is high, but still I could expect more. So let's turn it on. Why it's not working? On the plus side, it's quite it's quiet. Okay, let's put it here. Let's assemble it. Oh, and it's going like crazy. Take a closer look. I'm just pressing on, and in 3, 2, 1. Okay, looks quite nice. when you take into consideration the weight of this vacuum cleaner, it's not so bad. If you also consider that you will be in some way moving in this position, so the support from the floor it's helping, but still I cannot imagine to work a longer time with it, because the engine is here, so the force directly is put it on your right or left hand. Yeah, I was also checking the distribution of outlet air, and yes, it's only in this part and that part. So, as I expected, this bottom or side filter, sorry, it's not efficiently used. On plus side, some other accessories which are let's say standard, nothing to add. In particular, this is quite nice because you can turn it in different positions, so it's okay. But yes, I expected better quality, but on the end of the day, design is quite nice. It's up to you. In my opinion, it's not worth to buy. The capacity of the battery, in my opinion, is not enough even for daily use, and those filters will not work. This is my honest opinion. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you next time.